doing.
I'm putting this unit, this organisation, it's for shoes or whatever you want to store in it, I guess. Hello my lovelies, so I have received a package today that I actually ordered it off Temu just a couple of days ago, and it's one of those where you pay an extra couple of quid for delivery. There wasn't no other option but to do that, which I didn't mind because it was only £6 odd anyway, so it cost me just over 8 quid, and this is meant to be brilliant. So this part of this video is actually going to be shared on both my channels, so my nail channel and on Over 50 Shades of Twins as well. The reason for that is because I have different subscribers, different viewers on each one, and I think this could be handy for both, so that's why I'm showing it. Don't know how hard or how easy it's going to be to put up, but we shall see. Let's get it out, because you do fold it up yourself. I'll put a picture up on screen of what it is, but the reviews on it are really good, so let's see, and I'll let you know what my ideas are for it. So it is a storage, it's storage for shoes. This is showing it a bit smaller, I think. So you get your guide there to put it up, and that's your little storage compartments. Now, it actually advertises it on Temu to be for shoes, so that's why I thought, well, it's going to be deep enough then for what I want it for. I'm thinking of putting my gel polishes in it because I like to store them away. I've got some drawers at the moment, and all my drawers are almost full now of gel polishes. So I only like to have certain ones out that look nice. And that's what I've done, so that's what I thought I'd get these for. So let's see if I can put them up. So you get all your pieces all flat packed like that. The metal bits that are on them even come with the blue little tape, so if you know that you peel off. How funky is that? So you think, don't you, that the quality is not going to be too bad, even if they're covering the edges, but how hard or how easy it's going to be to get all that blue off. Oh no, that's another matter actually, a bit look of it. I might do it all afterwards because I might be here all day with that. So let's see if I can put it up without having to bother about that. So, show me. Don't know how sturdy it's going to be, like I say, to put polishes in. But they'll come in handy anyway for storage. So I think what I'll probably do, because I'll try and get one of them up, so I'm not going to do them all on camera. We'll be here all day, a bit look of it. So I think it's going to be a bit fiddly to do by the look of it. And then I'm not looking at instructions because you shouldn't need to have to do one about. Yeah, oh, they just stop. They do, right, okay, they do kind of pop in place actually, quite decent. Right, put this side in here. So as fiddly as it is, I think they're going to work really well. You know these. Try and get that one in if I can. That's both. Just fiddly. It's fiddly, my lovelies. It's fiddly. And you get 10 of them as well. So 10 storage compartments for, well, 8 quid, just over its cost. But you can put all sorts in them, and then there's that one at the back that you do there. Right, let's get this one done. Get this one up, my lovelies, and I'll come back to you. So, my lovelies, I put the first one up and it's like that, but there's a reason for that. I should have read the instructions. What I should have done was just fold it, which I have done with this one, to get the creases to be creased. So that's what I've done with this one, and I've done all the bits. So them bits, the little flat bits, there's some little flaps there, look. So I folded them, and the ones that go into the flaps there I folded, so that makes it a lot easier. And then you just pop them in. Look how easy it is now. I was struggling, didn't need to struggle because I just needed to make sure the crease were folded with them being flat. There we go. So So I'll get them all in and then I'll show you. Beautiful. There we have it. It's much sturdier. Not brilliant. I didn't expect it to be fair. Really, really sturdy plastic. I just need it to be enough, and I'm sure it'll hold me polishes, to be honest. But we'll see, won't we? So that's that. That's the drawer part of it. And then there's the unit part. So let me get the unit part and see how we go with that one. So them's all the drawers. There should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is 10 there. So I'll sort them out. And then there's the compartment part of it, which that slides into. So I'm assuming there's not very much to do with this one other than making sure that the crease, or read the instructions. Got them here. Let's have a look. Step 1, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. Oh, right, okay, so you get these as well. So these go on the edges, so that's going to make it even more sturdier. Let's have a go. You get loads of packs of these as well. And they just clip on. I mean, obviously I've got to take that blue strip off, which is going to take forever, I think. So yeah, fiddly thing, but do you know what? I'm really quite impressed, if I'm honest. Beauty. I'm putting this unit, this organisation, it's for shoes or whatever you want to store in it, I guess. But it all fits together like that. You put your shoes in it, then it goes in a drawer unit, which is that one. I didn't do it right first. I need to open it all up. I needed to fold the bits over to get the creases in it. Do you know what I mean? And I didn't do that first, and I did with that one. And look how sturdy that is now with them bits on the end. There, look. Really, really impressed. So this was all £8 and there's 10 of them. I just need to fathom out how to do this. This is the bit that will slide into effectively. And that's the bit I'm not sure about. So I need to get these creases folded, if that makes sense. I don't know how I'm going to presume. Just roll that one down there then. So like that way. Yeah, I think it's going to be very, very fiddly to get it all done, but I don't mind doing stuff like this. I could sit here happily all day.
It looks like a Louise job.
Yeah, it is. And then I don't know where they're fastening to, but I will. Oh, that's just the back. Oh, right, okay. So let me give these a bit of a fold. Oh, I like this sort of thing. More than happy doing this. Right, so then they go in there. They go in there first. Oh, that goes. It's fiddly, but right up my street. All you've got to do is anywhere that's got a crease, you're best off giving it a fold. And I suppose there'll be them types of things that as long as you're not moving them about too much, it'll be fine. Do you know what I mean? And that goes in there that way. This next one, I don't know where that bit's come from. And then that one will go in there. And then that will go there. Right, let me give the instructions again for this bit, because I'm struggling with that bit now. About connection. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to have to fathom it out on this bit. Right, so they come out, right, okay. And that will fit fold in there then, I presume. Put them two together. Ah, okay. So through there. That needs to go through there. Fabulous. So that one goes through there. Right, there we have that one. So then, I mean, I know I haven't taken the blue off there, which I can pull it off afterwards. I should better do it without having to take it all apart again. Or it might be wise just to take it all off to start with. I don't know, but I'm not going to show you all that on camera. But that's the cover, you know, that's for the metal bit to stop it scratching, I suppose, in storage. So you have them like that, and then you've got little extra bits on here. So I'm assuming that is to fit each one together. So when I've done a few of them, I can fit a few of them together, which I'm not right bothered about that at this moment in time. So I've got the case of it there, and then that goes in like a drawer, or it should effectively go in like a drawer, and you've got like your shoebox. How fabulous. Don't know how sturdy it's going to be, but it feels all right, in all honesty. I'm quite impressed. I think it makes a bit of a noise opening and shutting it. I'm going to go put something in it and see how sturdy it is. Get some gel polishes. Pack of gel polishes, let's see. Right, I have a pack of gel polishes here, and this is why I don't like them on my unit or in a rack stand shelf. Because I can't stand out different bottles and stuff, so they were in a drawer. So I'm going to put them in here and see how we go. Might be that they are too heavy. Opening and shutting it is a bit, but it's held them in there, look. I suppose if you've got a load of lightweight stuff, it won't be so bad for sure. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll get it all built up, and then I'll put in it what I'm hoping to get put in it and see how it goes, and show you. It's going to take me a little while, I think, to get it all built up, so I'm not going to show that on camera. But yeah, absolutely ideal for storage, isn't it? Wherever you want to put it. You know what I mean? Fabulous. What do you think, sis?
It looks like a box.
Well, it is a box. That's exactly what it is. But if you're just wanting loads of storage for loads...
Take them out.
Take what out? Yeah, well, you... It's fine, isn't it?
It's my feet now.
But for me, in my nail room for storage, I have like just all sorts of stuff, as you can imagine, for nails, for storing all the wipes that I use, and just so much. Just need storage, don't you? And I think they're perfect for that. Don't get me wrong, I wouldn't have them out on me. I'd have them put away, do you know what I mean? I wouldn't have them out on show kind of thing, if that makes sense. Well, when I say on show, I'd put them, I've got a place in my nail room to stack one on top of the other like that. And hopefully they'll be sturdy enough for me to get in and out of. And I'll show you. Once I put it up, I'll show you what I'm using it for. And then you can have a look and think, I could use it for X, Y, and Z. Really cheap storage, ideal for those people who don't have much money to spend on storage. I think it's fabulous. Probably better for storing lightweight stuff, but if you've got a cupboard or something and you want to store loads of things in separately, you've got little drawers for it. And it's really cheap while you're doing it, and you can tidy things up, can't you? So I think it's brilliant. I'm going to get them all built up, and then I'll come back to you, my lovelies, and show you in about 3 weeks' time. When I've put them up and took all the blue bits off. So, back shortly. Right, my chickens, here we are. I've got seven of them stacked up here. I only wanted it to like almost the top of that unit there. And what I've done with them, what I did find, let me move a bit closer, is I'll take this one out. So this one's an empty one at the minute. I'm going to take it out, and inside I have put, I don't know whether you can see it, but back there were, because how you fasten it all together, you can fasten each one on top of the other, so that's a really sturdy. If I move it all, you see how it's sturdy, it's all moving together. I mean, it's not brilliant sturdy because it's majority of it's plastic, if you know what I mean, but the price of it, but they're very, very fiddly to put together, but I think it's absolutely brilliant. So I put some tape over that just to smooth that down, so when you put in the drawer in and out, it's not catching on it. And also because it fits to the top of the other one, underneath at the back up there, I've put some tape on as well. So that's all I've had to do to make it work much better. And then when you put the drawers in, they go in really, really easily. So I'm going to open this drawer. I've got loads of gel polishes and things in there, as you can see, and it's holding it absolutely fine. I can set the whole thing out. It's quite heavy. I've just dropped it with one hand. So that's how much it's holding. It's really heavy, is that. I'm going to pop it back in. I'm going to need my other hand to do it, so bear with me. Here we are. I needed the other hand to pick it up because it is heavy, that. And slide it back in, and it slides back in absolutely fine. Now, don't get me wrong, they're not the most solid. These will bend, this part will bend really easy if you have it, this part will bend really easy if you have it packaged, you know, if you have a lot in there. It's only flimsy, if you know what I mean. But for what I need this for, it's perfect, in my opinion. I'm really, really happy with it. I ain't even got anything in those yet. But yeah, really, really chuffed. And then I've got another 3 that I've put over in one of the other units. I'll just show you that. So here we are, my lovelies. The other three are in one of them little units, one of them store IKEA units. Nothing in them yet, but there will be, no doubt, especially with all the stuff I'm buying off Vinted lately. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that my sis wasn't in it very much. She did have a little bit of a visit, didn't she, in the dinosaur onesie? So yeah, I really hope you find it useful. And like I say, it's really cheap, £6, with £8 with the postage. You can't go wrong, can you, really? And I really think they'll come in useful, could come in useful for you, my lovelies. So thank you ever so much for watching. Please take care, everybody. And like I always say, if you can't be good, be careful. Bye.